and welcome to this second vlog. Hopefully you enjoyed last week's vlog. Yeah, I'm currently just attempting some homework. I made this for breakfast and oh my god, I literally fail at life. I need to like actually organize myself and tell myself what I'm gonna eat. As you guys saw, my breakfast was really small and it's like 5 to 11 now, so my video is going up in 5 minutes actually. But yeah, I just made myself a little snack. I've had brown rice cakes in the pantry for ages and I was like, I can use them. So I literally just mashed up some black beans, put some nutritional yeast, which I actually hate. Am I the only one who hates nutritional yeast? I cannot stand it, but I put it on because like I can't really taste it with the other stuff. And I've just got some baby spinach on there. But yeah, let me know if you like nutritional yeast because I just think it tastes like poison. Like it's just so bad. I really don't like it. So yeah, let me know your thoughts on that. I am currently, Buddy and I are currently out on a walk and I'm not doing a very good job at controlling him whilst I'm vlogging, but yeah, there's a chair carking past it. I do not care. Buddy, come on. They probably think I'm the worst dog owner ever. Anyway, yeah, we're just out for a walk. Good morning. It is currently Tuesday and I am hosting a vegan picnic today. So yeah, you guys, oh, almost just knocked my water over. You guys will see that. I'm also hosting a vegan Snapchat today, like the same one that I did on my birthday. So yeah, a lot of filming to do. I'm home from the picnic today. I think I only filmed like 2 things. Oh my god, the girl who did my brows, she's like left big sections above for me to like fill in and they're just gonna be thicker than they already are if I do that. So like if you look now, it looks like she's just missed bits like based on my natural brow, but she's tried to give me like an arch to fill in. So I'm not really happy with it, but whatever. I'm currently just at my primary school because I'm walking, Buddy, and I've only really been on the back basketball court and I walk past here every single day, but I used to train for netball here. I'm walking past all the classrooms. It's just really nostalgic and I just saw my picket when we painted pickets and I realised that that was when I was in grade 1 and that was 10 years ago. Like, what the hell? That's crazy. I just can't believe it. It's kind of, it's so weird. Like I remember this playground that I'm literally currently standing in being redone and everything. Can you stop? Oh my god, crazy dog. Anyway, yeah, that's all I wanted to say. Hey humans, I haven't spoken to you guys today at all. It is currently Wednesday. It's just been really hectic. We went to my auntie's house because my granddad, long story, I'm not going to go into detail about that on the internet, but yeah, I was basically there for a while and then ever since we got home it's been like cleaning the dishes and then we've just been to the shops and now it's like 6:15 at night. So yeah, nothing really to update you on. I just thought I'd say hey, not really good morning, but I just wanted to throw in this clip for the day. Good morning guys, it is now Thursday. I know I literally didn't vlog anything yesterday, but I kind of explained why in yesterday's clip, so I'm not going to go into detail about that again. But I am actually off to Beechworth today, so that is why this vlog is going up on Wednesday, because I'll be there till Tuesday, and yeah. Friday, actually it's Good Friday, and today I think we're just wandering around the town and not doing a hell of a lot, but yeah, just having a chill day and I will take you guys along. we are going to a little market in town and then a like carnival kind of thing, so it should be a really fun day. And yeah, I'll take you guys along as I have the past few days. It is currently Easter Sunday, if you couldn't tell. I know you guys are seeing this after Easter, but I just want to say happy Easter and hope you all had a lovely weekend. Today I think we're going to check out some waterfalls that the other guys checked out last year, but I wasn't here because I was on world tour. And yeah, I think that's mainly all we're doing. I thought I'd just show you my Easter egg that I got mum to get me. It's just the Lindt. I got the Lindt 70% egg, so it's literally just their 70% chocolate in egg form, so I'm literally back in the exact same spot as before. I just thought I'd explain what we've been doing today. So I told you guys that we were going to some waterfall spots along this trail, and then we went back into town and we went to Beechworth Bakery and I got a falafel wrap, and it was actually really good once I heated it up. It was like freezing cold, the falafels were cold, and so I was not going to eat that cold. But yeah, definitely recommend it. And then I just got back from a hour-long walk. We probably walked about 5k, but I've definitely passed the 10,000 step mark for today, so yeah. And yeah, that's all we've been up to. Good morning, guys. Well, I think it's still morning. We are heading into Chiltern today, so I will take you guys along. We're just going for lunch. We are leaving the caravan park today and going home because it's school tomorrow, and yeah, so today is the last day of this vlog and it's probably not going to be very interesting.